Hey everyone, if you've been on this channel for a while, you probably know it started with entertainment content. But today, I have an important update about the future of this channel. Announcement. This channel is officially shifting to financial content focused on personal finance, budgeting, saving money, investing for beginners, and building smart money habits. I've grown, my mindset has changed, and now I want this platform to help you build your future, not just pass time. About old videos. You may still see some entertainment videos on the channel right now. We can't remove everything immediately due to YouTube guidelines and channel management reasons. But over time, older entertainment content will gradually be removed, and this channel will fully focus on financial literacy and wealth building. What to expect? Here's what's coming: budgeting for beginners, money management tips, saving challenges, debt free journey motivation, investing basics, smart side hustles, passive income ideas. If you want to improve your money mindset and grow financially, you're in the right place. Call to action. If you're excited about this new journey, subscribe or stay subscribed, turn on notifications, and let's build wealth together. This isn't just content, this is your financial growth era. See you in the next video.